welcome back again guys to my YouTube channel, and today we have a service call here for the satellite TV. This is two system now working in this vessel, and we have the frequency with the channel, and we have the direct antenna, which is automatic from Intellian. See, and we have the splitter, and we have all the receiver. It's one by one receiver for every channel. This is connected here. This is the channel that feeds on the in the tire of the multi-switch. Okay, this is the multi-switch. So this is like a VHF UHF frequency of the TV frequency going direct to your receiver, TV receiver. So now we're trying to make the configuration now. So now we need to configure the satellite antenna. Okay, we need to go to basic. This is this is Nile Sat, so it should be basic A. This is basic B. Sorry, basic B for Nile Sat, and for Arab Sat it should be basic B.
Yeah.
No, A. A is Nile Sat.
A for Arab Sat.
Arab Sat for A, and B for
Nile Sat.
Nile Sat. Okay, clear. So now after the settings, we need to network search on also, and symbol type it should be FTA, and channel type TV, and in scan mode this is the second satellite, this is the Arab Sat, and now
Because that one is not
now actually there is no signal here because our satellite desk is this is fixed satellite. Now we are doing scanning, so this is tuned in Nile Sat now, so we don't have the signal on the Arab Sat because it was not tuned in Arab Sat, so we're just doing now the Nile Sat only. So when the time you are seeing all these channels here, then the message will pop up here on last, and I will show you. Now we are transferring the other one because we have 2, 4, 6, and we will see later after the end of the test. See, now it is continuing. We have received the some frequencies already. So this is scanning so this is our system, guys. This is it is NATE, right? NATE Cat TV, CATV. This is 16 channel. This is audio video convert to UHF VHF frequency. We have also BADR ports here. We have OSN, but this is different system connected only here. This is Intellian. This is the auto search antenna, and I will show you outside. Let's get antenna. Okay. So I will show you where is it. So that is my Intellian antenna. This is the one for the TV, manual search. This antenna. Okay. It's the LED, and auto search is this one. This is the Intellian. And this is the automatic searching. And the other one, this is the starover, guys. This is the one for my Nile Sat. This is manually tuned. So you see, every time we need to tune to Arabsat, we need to turn it on the other side, and it should be manually tuned. Okay, guys, this is another TV satellite also. This is for big frequency satellite. Go back inside, we will see. So this is the third unit. By the way, guys, going the menu, guys, you need to press the menu there on the remote control. I'm not showing you the remote control, but mostly you are familiar using the remote control, so I'm just showing you the display on the screen. So select none, responder all. I have only two satellites, Nile Sat and Arabsat. So now it is starting scanning. So I will show you the remote control, guys. Where is the remote controls? So this is the remote controls. This is the remote control. So when you are doing the settings, this is the menu, and this is channel up and down. This is my, by the way, this is my partner, a very handsome partner. We are doing a criminal case. killing and bringing alive this crazy equipment. So now I'll just show you the start up. So okay guys, what we do is we scan the this is now in TV mode because we are using now the this one. So this all was programmed, every channel, one is one channel, and it was feed here in this audio video converter. And now we try to scan now. This is a TV mode, this is not the audio or any video mode. This is TV. This is VHF frequency. So this is all we see. This is all the channel frequency. So now I have 11 channels. Means it detected already 11 what you call it, decoder, or that every channel. Wallah, I already forget what's the name of that. How is that video? That is what is it?
Decoder?
I'm correct, decoder. We are hungry. And we just finished eating, that's why. So means I have 11 channel, 11 decoder already has been. Huh?
Some missing.
No, not yet. This is from others are in UHF. This is 55ET, 5C. How many channels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 11.
30.
6.
5 plus 8. Total 13 now. 2 is missing. You like connection menu? Change. That's it.
This is on? Okay. So 11 channel was detected. Just check, where is it? It's supposed to be this 13. So 2, 3, 4, 6,
8 is been. Starting now.
9, 10, 11.
Only 2 is receiving.
Huh?
Only 2 is receiving. Madam.
Just remove one and try to select the channel. Which one? Which one is working? Where is the remote? No remote. Okay, remove one. Huh? Why? Scan again. No, it's not scan. It's video only. Yeah, you need to scan again. So we are scanning it again because we are missing 2 encoder.
side maybe not.
Okay, channel 1 detected, channel 2 detected, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, channel 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, completed. Okay guys, we installed the additional 4 and now it's all completed. So check all the channel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, completed. So those channels, this is one. Okay, all these channels.
40. One again missing.
Okay. Okay. So now this is already finished, and after saving the channel, do you want to exit the installation? So you just click yes.
Okay.
Okay. This is okay. You just press the OK. Okay. Saving. So now it direct save. All your channel is there. Changing the channel. You see all channel is there already.
2051.
This is 1051. So okay guys, more settings will be given if you just drop down the question, or just send a message to us, send the message to me, and I will just answer all your questions. And thank you very much guys for keep watching on my YouTube channel, and also today thanks for the help of my partner also with you. Yeah, a lovely boy. So if you didn't subscribe yet on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click also the notification button, so you will be notified automatically if I have updated job, previous unfinished job, and or a new installation or repair also. Thank you very much guys. Have a nice day. Bye.